The purpose of this demonstration is to illustrate the flight control of a UAV system based solely on its initial and final GPS coordinates. First, the PX4 and the simulated environment are executed. Second, the Q-ground control is launched. Third, the bridge between the simulated drone and the ROS2 environment is executed. Now we have all the support components running. The initial position of the drone is indicated by the red triangle placed in the right window. Now let's suppose we want to fly up to the left upper point placed at the mouse position. By clicking on the map, I get the GPS position of that point. In this moment, we have all the required information. Therefore, I will copy these GPS coordinates into my program, which is supported by Robotic Operating System 2. Now it's time to build and execute my node. So, we are ready. First, let's take off the UAV system. Switching to off-board mode, the developed node will gain control of the UAV system and direct it to the final GPS coordinates previously specified. When the UAV arrives at the destination, it will switch to hold mode. In the end, we can land the UAV system.
The idea is the same as in the simulator. First, obtain a set of real GPS coordinates from a map. Second, input them as a destination point in our program. Third, using this data and the GPS starting point where the drone is located, the UAV will navigate autonomously. The data is inserted through a terminal interface connected to the companion computer via a Wi-Fi link. The companion computer is mounted on the UAV.
Armed. Disarmed.
Now that the GPS destination data has been entered, the application needs to be rebuilt. the bridge between the PX4 autopilot and the ROS2 environment must be established. And our code must be executed. At this point, all is prepared for the flight. We arm the drone
Armed.
and we take off.
Și mișcă camera spre dronul.
Take off flight mode.
By switching to off-board mode starts the autonomous navigation.
On-board flight mode.
God damn.
Now
Land.
that the drone has reached the destination point, we can land it.
Land flight mode.
So, the UAV is fully capable of autonomously navigating to a designated GPS position. This concludes our demonstration. Thank you very much for watching this video.